What's up everybody, this is Bo. Welcome to the new episode of the van build. Today I'm going to work on finishing up the bed frames and the sides, the enclosure. Last night I worked on installing all these frames to make the storage. You can see right here, this is going to be a long storage. You can access this through back here, or you can access it from the top. This is another good size storage. You can put, you know, long stuff such as camping chairs and such, and even sleeping bags and stuff. You can fit in here as well, or fishing poles, and then it's going to use a lot of wood here. You can see wood panels here. This is a 30 inches high on both sides, and then the top here. So it's going to be a lot of the plywood left. So we ran out of plywood. I have one left. It's not going to finish. So last night we went and picked up some more plywood and countertop for the from the Home Depot. So let's get it done today. I hope it doesn't look first we install these brackets. Okay, our fridge is done. It's on a slide. This is a 250-pound slide, and it's locked. You can, right now it's locked, okay, and then you can, if you need, I mean, you can use the fridge while it's inside like this, okay, and you need more clearance, you can just slide it out, okay, and up to this position, it locks right here also. You can open it even bigger, okay, and if you need to slide all the way, you can also, okay, and then just slide back in and it's locked. Okay, we are good to go now. Here we have 1.5 inches butcher block. This is for the countertop. Let's see what type was it. This is the Bouge. It's a solid Bouge. Okay. It's funny. We went to buy it. We didn't know what it's called. You guys take a look. These plywoods are so beautiful. This is 1/2 inch ply, and it's Bouge. And these plywoods, when I started building the van, it was $36 per sheet. a 4x8. Now it's $74 per sheet, a 4 feet by 8 feet size. Yeah, they went like double the price. So, but look at these are beautiful, very beautiful. I love it. Every piece cut, sand every piece to make sure it's smooth. There's no sharp edges. You think you got everything, the item that you ordered? Nope. When I was doing this one, we realized that we don't have the the gravity water inlet, so I just been waiting for that. Good thing it's a 1-day delivery. So, oh, this thing's heavy. It looks like this is new. I've never used this before, but it looks legit to me. Wow, it looks nice. Metal. Okay, so it's a city water inlet, and it has the check valve so that there's no water coming back out this way, and it also has a cap with thread. So, okay, cool. Wow. All right, let's get this installed so we can get this panel done. Pretty cold morning. Not a little bit windy. The breeze from the ocean. It's cold, a little bit foggy. It's not an ideal for painting or spraying, but it's gonna get. This one's gonna get done. This is the panel where it gets wet the most, because this is where we the connection for the water tank and also the external spray, shower spray. So we're gonna spray clear coat it to protect the wood, you know, from being damaged from the water. So we're gonna do it. I feel like the spray was not enough to protect this board from getting damage from the water, so I apply hand brush, more double coated on this one. Now it looks shiny, and I'm satisfied. It looks like it's good enough, big enough. Hey, check this out.
Wow. Oh, wow.
So while I'm waiting for the glue on the panels, on the back panel to dry, I'm working on this one. This is the heater outlet. Okay, while hiding the heater, I made this little storage, you know, really deep storage, 12 inches or 14 inches across. And then you can also put stuff on top, or put inside here, while the heater outlet, you can rotate it, you know, up or down, sideways and stuff. And I leave this gap here for purposely because the bad two of the bad panels, the one that we walk through, when you don't use, you can slide in here for storage. That's the purpose of this. It's enough for 2 panels to fit. And also, check this out, just high enough. That's why I don't make it so high, because I want these seats still be able to recline 30 degrees back. That's how these seats are, 30 degrees recline back. So this height, it's perfect. It's not going to be in the way. So where did it go? So it works both ways. The seat still recline. We still have little storage here, and then you also can put something on top of it, you know, clothes, or you know, changing while you taking a shower and stuff. Why not, right? It's cute, isn't it? Looks shiny and it's still wet. I apply the clear coat on this one with the brush, so it's thicker and it's shiny. For sure, it's, you know, protecting from the scratch and the water damage and stuff. Well, you guys, another day is over for the van build. This van looks so beautiful. I'm jealous. It looks so nice. I love the cabin feeling in this van. So I'm really happy the way it comes out so far. Well, we are getting really close to complete on this van. The next video will be the walkthrough of the completion of this van. So for that being said, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope you really like the way it comes out, the way same way as I am. And thank you for your support. Thank you for following me along. Let's say give it the 2 weeks. This van will be completely done, because I'm still waiting for the cushion to be sewed, and touch up here and there, and the gray tank underneath to be installed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Bo. I will see you the next episode. Bye bye.